The Elixir Group business system grew out of a series of investments and development projects. Through the business activities of its member companies, the Elixir Group has developed extensively and achieved significant results in all segments of agribusiness, the chemical industry, and the production of complex mineral fertilizers. Elixir Agra deals with trade and commodity exchange in agribusiness, sales of mineral fertilizers, seeds, pesticides, collaboration in the cultivation of various crops, and mercantile goods. The company has developed a series of successful partnership activities with producers of fruit, vegetables, oil crops, and cereals to whom it provides any technical and advisory support required. Elixir Agra is also the exclusive distributor of the mineral fertilizer Elixir Zorka in Serbia and 16 countries in the region. Elixir Food is one of the largest producers and exporters of frozen fruit from Serbia. Fruit and vegetables produced in regions of Serbia known for their quality are processed at 3 locations: Šabac, Bajana Bašta, and Ivanjica. Total storage capacity is 18,500 tons, with a daily processing capacity of 550 tons. Elixir Food has state-of-the-art processing equipment. Thanks to the proven quality of its products, the high standards which are applied in the production process, and its food safety systems, it sells its products successfully on several continents. Elixir Feed has the leading position in the trade in additives for animal feed in Serbia, with 45% in turnover on the domestic market. For over 10 years, the company has been the exclusive dealer for numerous world-renowned producers, and the range of products includes all necessary components for the production of top-quality animal feed and premixes. Since 2010, Elixir Feed has had a constant increase in sales volume, and the company has expanded its activities to the countries of the region. In early 2015, Elixir Feed began sales and distribution of mineral fertilizer under the brand name Monofos. The privatization of the former giants of the chemical industry, Zorka Šabac and IHP Prahovo, launched a new era for the Elixir Group. The Zorka Šabac chemical industry was founded by decree of the Kingdom of Yugoslavia in 1938. Several production enterprises operated within this company, and their work marked a multi-decade period of development of the city of Šabac. The mineral fertilizers factory, developed in stages, played an important role in the development of the chemical industry of Yugoslavia, which fully met domestic demand for mineral fertilizers and even exported a great deal of its products. Because of international sanctions, the ban on import of raw materials and export of finished products, and the lack of investments in the 1990s, this prosperous company stopped production. This was the case with other producers as well, and consequently Serbia, which had been a major exporter of NPK fertilizers, instead began importing them. Having recognized the potential importance of the production of mineral fertilizers in the overall development of this branch of the chemical industry, the Elixir Group bought the Zorka factory, which since 2011 has been part of the business system, operating under the name Elixir Zorka Mineral Fertilizers. On the existing location, the Elixir Group built a completely new plant for the manufacture of complex mineral fertilizers with appropriate warehousing capacity, and renovated all storage tanks for raw materials. The most up-to-date technological solutions from the French engineering company CFI were deployed in the new factory in order for it to fully comply with local and European quality standards, as well as the most demanding European environmental criteria. Elixir Zorka products include various formulations of top-quality complex mineral fertilizers with a high concentration of nutritive elements, uniform granulation, and high water solubility in soil. These mineral fertilizers fully meet the requirements of the respective crop cultures for all elements, regardless of crop specificity, crop production, or quality of soil. Alongside its existing wide range of mineral fertilizers, Elixir Zorka works extensively on developing new products. This includes the introduction of a line of microgranular starter fertilizers, SuperStart, manufactured using microground technology, which is designed specifically to produce pellets of between 0.5 and 1.2 millimeters. The finished product is the microgranular superstart fertilizer, which ensures maximum yields. With a production capacity of 1,000 tons per day, or about 300,000 tons annually, Elixir Zorka is a regional leader in the production of mineral fertilizers. The Prahovo chemical industry is located at the junction of three borders between Romania, Bulgaria and Serbia on the bank of the River Danube. It was founded in 1960 as part of the technological chain of the Bor Basin mining and metallurgical complex. Sulfuric acid, produced from metallurgical exhaust fumes in the Bor complex, was used in Prahovo for the production of phosphoric acid and mineral fertilizers. IHP Prahovo, once a giant of the local chemical industry, entered an era of crises in the 1990s because of the negative effects of economic sanctions. In August 2012, the Elixir Group bought IHP Prahovo with a necessary initial investment in the reconstruction of production and storage capacity in order to ensure the production startup of phosphoric acid and products with a phosphorus component. Investment in new plant for the production of phosphoric acid was an important step in the development of Elixir Prahovo and its positioning as a respected company in the chemical industry. In April 2015, the Bor complex commissioned a new sulfuric acid plant, which has enhanced the significance of the Elixir Prahovo phosphoric acid factory. Neutralizing the excess sulfuric acid in Elixir Prahovo enables the Bor complex to produce copper on a continuous basis. In this way, the sulfuric acid, which is a byproduct of copper refinement, is disposed of, while Elixir Prahovo obtains a strategically important raw material for the production of phosphoric acid. Independent control of the composition of phosphoric acid as a basic component of various products is key to Elixir Prahovo's success and determines the company's development in the further refinement of phosphoric acid salts in feed, technical and food grades. Elixir Prahovo produces 120,000 tons of phosphoric acid annually, along with 100,000 tons of feed-grade monocalcium phosphate used in the production of the stock feed Monophos. Elixir Prahovo is developing a new project to produce 40,000 tons of water-soluble crystal MUP per year. The investment plan for 2016 envisages the building of a new potassium sulfate plant and the beginning of construction of an NPK fertilizer plant, which will further consolidate the position of the Elixir Group as a regional leader in the production of mineral fertilizers. The administration and logistics of all the Elixir Group's companies are strategically interconnected. They are located in cities on the banks of the Danube and Sava rivers, which are traffic arteries in the region. The international port of Prahovo, with cargo handling capacity of more than 1.5 million tons per year, is a very important logistics hub. It enables the receipt and reloading of various types of cargo and all the important raw materials required for the production of mineral fertilizers, which arrive via the Danube and Black Sea ports. An extensive rail network is also an important factor in the logistics and transport of both raw materials and finished products. The constant development of the Elixir Group includes not only ongoing investment in the production and expansion of its range of products and services, but also continuing development of the local community and assistance for various important community projects. In this way, the development of the Elixir Group has a significant social impact on the local community, at the same time as it contributes to Serbia's economic development.